Namaste everyone, I am Dr. Sangeeta Gautam and this is BSc B.Ed Solid State class, and today's our topic is defects in solids. There are many defects in solids. Mainly defects are categorized in two main categories: stoichiometric defects and non-stoichiometric defects. Stoichiometric defects means when the ratio of the number of cations and anions are same in the crystal, in a perfect crystal, then the defect is termed as stoichiometric defect. This defect is also known as point defect because in this type of defect some of the lattice points are unoccupied. The stoichiometric defects are again categorized in main two categories: Schottky defects and Frankel defects. You can see the diagram of Schottky defect. You can understand Schottky defect by this diagram. When one positive ion and one negative ion from any site in the crystal lattice are missing from their respective sites, then it creates a pair of holes and vacancies. Such paired cations and anion vacancies in ionic crystal is termed as Schottky defect. The example of Schottky defects are NaCl, KCl, KBr and CaCl, cesium chloride. Schottky defects is generally developed in high ionic compounds where one or both the following characteristics with high coordination number in crystal structure and where sizes of cation and anion are almost same. Now the next defect of stoichiometric defect, Frankel defect. Frankel defect means when some of the ions shift from their normal site to from their normal lattice sites to the interstitial positions in the crystal lattice, then the vacancies are developed at the original site. You can see the Frankel defect in this diagram. This cation goes in interstitial defect and the original sites become a hole. This type of defects are known as Frankel defect. Example of Frankel defects are zinc sulfide, AgBr, AgCl, etc. Frankel defects occur when anion is much larger in size than the cation. Low coordination number is shown between cations and anions. Next category of defect is non-stoichiometric defect. Non-stoichio defect means when the ratio of the cations and anions present in the imperfect ionic solids differs from that required by the ideal or perfect chemical formula of the compound, means where positive and negative ions are not equal. This type of defects are known as non-stoichiometric defects. Non-stoichiometric defects are classified into the following types. First is metal excess defect due to anion vacancy. Second is metal excess defect due to interstitial cation. Metal deficiency defect due to cation vacancies and cation deficiency due to the impurities. You can see here in this diagram that a cation is less than in this ionic crystal and An electron is occupied the space of anion where anion is absent. So there is an example of a metal axis deficiency due to the presence of electron, and a cation occupy higher valency to adjust the electrical characteristic. These type of centers are also known as F centers. Thank you so much for watching my video. Stay home and stay safe.